Hello everyone, and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I'm going to show you how to open the sunroof in a Kia Sportage. Whether you're enjoying a sunny day or just want to let some fresh air in, knowing how to operate your sunroof is essential. So, let's get started. Before you can operate the panoramic sunroof in your Sportage, make sure the engine is running or the ignition is turned on. This is essential to power the sunroof controls. Now, locate the sunroof control buttons in your Kia Sportage. You'll find them on the overhead console near the rearview mirror. To open the sunshade, push the sunroof control lever backward to the first detent position. To open the sunroof, push the sunroof glass control lever backward to the first or second detent position. The sunroof glass will be opened. To stop the sunroof glass movement at any point, push the sunroof control lever briefly. You have the flexibility to control how much you want the sunroof to be open, whether just a little or all the way. To close the sunroof glass with the sunshade, push the sunroof control lever forward to the second detent position. The sunroof glass and sunshade will close automatically. To tilt the sunroof, push the sunroof control lever upward. The sunshade will slide halfway open. Then the sunroof glass will tilt. So, there you have it. Opening or tilting the sunroof in your Kia Sportage is as easy as that. We hope this video was helpful, and if you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Kia Sportage tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.